So let's go over a few changes that are going to happen this spring semester, and then I'll tell you what your assignment is prior to coming to class on Wednesday or Thursday. And so basically, I'm utilizing a thing. It's called gamification. I did this 2 years ago, and it seemed to work pretty well. And so we'll have something we'll refer to as XP, which is experience points. Those of you that game, you should be familiar with this. And so what you'll be doing is, as you do activities online or in class, you'll be earning XP. These will contribute into a extra credit category in the grade book, and I'll explain that more. These are mostly optional, but I want to just say that they are highly recommended. If you're not doing the XP, you may find the assessments to be a little difficult. When you do these, you can earn as much or little as you'd like. There is no overall grade. It's just how many points do you want. Most of them you can do multiple times, but there is a time limit on it. Some of the activities will be mandatory, so you'll see in-class activities for XP. Those you have to do, so you'll be doing those in class, but I'll mark those accordingly. I'll show you what it looks like here in a second. And then what will happen is I'll be looking at your XP level. So as you earn XP, you'll level up. So everybody's going to start at level 0, and you'll be level 0 until you get to 999 XP. Once you hit 1,000, now you move to level 1, and then 2,000 level 2, 3,000 level 3, and so on. All right. So the other thing is that to earn XP, you have to have it done before the class, like after class. I'll explain what that means. Okay, so the grades you'll be getting in the grade book will be assessments. So we'll be doing daily quizzes, and we'll also have larger quizzes. So short quizzes most days, and these will be based on videos and the XP activities that were assigned for that day. Retakes, you only get one, unless you fail. If it's a failing grade, you can keep taking it until you pass it. If you have a passing grade, you only get one retake. That's it. And I'll enforce this pretty strictly. So don't come because you messed up, you made a mistake. You have to be careful. That's on you. All right. So what's this all look like? Let's go look at course sites. So we're in course sites still, and we're going to be starting circular motion when we get back. So if you go into circular motion, I think I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to see how this organization works. So for Wednesday, Thursday, your first day of class, you need to finish lesson 1. Now, I say finish, it's only up until in-class activities. So you see these 4 things, this is what you need to be done before you come to class. And then you'll see these in-class activities, which are marked in class. So these are stuff that we'll be doing in class. And then what I've done is I've marked how much XP each activity is worth. So before you get to class, you should have 80, or you have the opportunity to earn 130 XP, but that's up to you. This one is a video, so you watch this video and then you write a short summary of it, watch this video and answer some questions on it. And you can retake this one as much as you want. Or you can skip it. That's up to you, but I will tell you that there will be an assessment that does go over this stuff right here. So again, it's entirely up to you. There's no direct grades that are going to come out of this. Then when we'll get to class, and we'll do all of these. And these are group activities. These are table, and I'll explain exactly how that's going to work. I kind of lay it out right here. You do have new table groups. If you want to know who you're going to be with, you can go to groups. I don't know what it looks like for yours. You know what? Let me do this. So go to groups, and then you'll see... Oh, it's not here. I don't know how you'll see it. Create a group, third, table 1. Yeah, it's not here. So anyway, I'll have it up when you come to class. Let me exit preview. So anyway, that's how it works. You'll get a feel for it. So again, lesson 1 in circular motion up to the in-class activities needs to be done before you come to class. Okay, in the grade book. So I made this Excel sheet so you can see what happens. Suppose all of these are grades for assessments, quizzes, and tests throughout the 9 weeks. Then you're going to have another category, another assignment, if you will, that just says XP level. And this one will be updated every week. So in this case, you can see here's all the grades, and then this student is at XP level 4. So if I averaged just these grades, not with the XP, they would have an 85. That's the average of all of these. Once I calculate in the XP level, you can see it raises 2 points. So they get 2 points extra credit on their average. Now, this depends on how many overall grades we get. So, keep that in mind. The less we have, the more impact this has. XP level, so if I go up to level 6, you can see there's 3 extra points. Level 8, there's 5 extra points. Level 10, that would be 6 extra points. So you see it has quite an impact on your overall average. Of course, if you don't do any of it, there's no change at the end. Now, keep in mind, you can't wait until the end of the 9 weeks and think you're going to go back and get all this XP. What I'll be doing is, so after I see you guys on Wednesday and Thursday, so Thursday evening, I'm going to go in here, I'll hit edit. I'll show you what I'll be doing. I'll be going down here, I'll put the due date, and then, wait, where's submission? Oh, what I'll do is it won't be available. So you won't get any grades once you won't be able to earn these points once it's past that due date. So you need to work on time. I'll still make it available so you can see it, but I'll take off all of the points so you won't earn any XP after the fact. Okay, I hope that makes sense. We'll talk more about it in class, and once you play with it a little bit, you'll get a feel for it. But remember, lesson 1 in circular motion up to in-class activities. So these 4 things by Wednesday, Thursday. See you then.